What's up guys, Nico here of YugaTech, and today we will look into some interesting laptop brands that can handle your productivity needs with a bit of gaming on the side. First up, we have the TECNO MegaBook T1, Tecno's first laptop ever. The MegaBook T1 serves power in a slim chassis that's only 14.8mm thin. It has a 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor inside, configured with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It has a 70W battery, included with a 65W charger and a large IPS display. The MegaBook T1 is currently priced at 29,990 pesos for the base model. Number 2, the Chuwi CoreBook X. The Chuwi CoreBook X is packing a 2K display in a 3:2 aspect ratio, meaning more screen real estate that can be seen vertically. It is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor paired with Iris Plus 655 graphics. It has 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The battery is at 46 watt-hours. The CoreBook X is currently selling for 29,399 pesos, and it comes with a free backpack and Chuwi Bluetooth mouse. Number 3, the Xiaomi RedmiBook 15. We got a newer Intel here on the RedmiBook 15 with an 11th gen Core i5, paired with Intel Iris Xe graphics. It has 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, a 46 watt-hour battery, and a full HD anti-glare IPS display. The RedmiBook 15 sets you back at 29,000 pesos, and it comes with a free backpack. Number 4, the Teclast Tbolt 20 Pro. Teclast is quite an unfamiliar brand, but its user reviews say it all. With the Tbolt 20 Pro, you get an Intel Core i5 processor, Iris Xe graphics, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. It has a full HD IPS screen, 55 watts of battery, and it has 4 speakers. The Tbolt 20 Pro is currently priced at 26,949 pesos. Last but definitely not the least is the Infinix INbook X1 that's powered by Intel Core i5 processor and Intel Iris Plus graphics. It has 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, 55 watt-hour battery with a 65W power adapter, and a 14-inch display. The INbook X1 is currently selling for 29,299 pesos. That wraps up this list. Did we miss any laptops that should have been on here? Comment them down below. Also, don't forget to smash a like and hit that notification bell to be alerted of all our next uploads. And while you're at it, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, or visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. This has been Nico of YugaTech, and thank you for watching.